Today, I'm going to show you how to view your vehicle's trip history in Shift. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to the map, and then you can either search for your vehicle or select it from this list. So let's select this Toyota. Now we can see the Toyota on the map, and we can click Trip History. We have to choose a date, so let's go September 23rd. And here we can see all the actions our vehicle took on that day, such as driving or idling. We can see the times that they took place at. We can see the total driving time, and we see the total distance traveled. Now we can select any of these to view that route on the map. For example, there's this route. We can also select this one. We can see this is a much longer route. And then we can click select all at the top to select all of our routes. And this gives us a good view of the route that the vehicle took throughout the day. Now we can actually watch the vehicle take this route by using the play button in this corner. If we click that, we can see that the vehicle is taking the route. We can also pause it. We can stop it entirely, and we can increase or decrease the speed right here. So let's go maybe 2 times speed, and let's click play again. We can also make this full screen with this button right here. And that's all you need to know to view your vehicle's trip history in Shift.